it, bitch. Hey. What the fuck are you wearing?
Oh, original.
Damn, Minnie's huge.
So why do I look like Kim Parker?
So you know what?
Oh, I see now. I hate you.
I know, I'm gonna stop.
No stones, no beads. What?
I just
One from the top.
That's rude.
Is there any way you could like open your eyes a little wider when you...
She's Asian.
I got a swamp back, dude.
We'll just shoot it fast.
Okay, let's try. One more time.
We can do it if
I knew that was gonna happen. Oh Lord, any move.
Don't try it, man. Oh,
You can step out.
working a fat girl. Bro, my Weight Watcher point just dropped 2 points. Just show her your dick, she'll follow that.
Shut the fuck up, asshole.
Nice. Okay, excellent.
I hate you. Shut up.